Hey, what's up YouTube? I just want to do a quick video on the Osmos uh, tripod or power tripod, whatever. I'm very impressed with it. It's lightweight, compact. Uh, it does everything that I've expected for it to do. If you're not tech savvy or whatever, this is the thing to have. You can set it up. It has a program that you can program it. It will follow you. There's other videos out there. I just wanted to say I've been kind of messing around with it here the last couple weeks when I get some time, and I think you'd be very impressed. I think it's like 119 to 139. I bought mine at Best Buy, so I paid like 139, I believe it was. But you can find them for like 119 on Amazon. But yeah, I suggest if you do any videos, anything like that, get one of it, play around with it. It's, I think it's bang for your buck. Next thing is that I've been trying to set up a microphone for my GoPro, and I also wanted to use universal because I use my phone quite a bit. You can also go to Best Buy and get this headset jack adapter. It will work on the Osmos. It'll work with a Samsung phone. It just plugs in to your phone and you can have an external mic. It also will work with your GoPro camera to run external mic, and it plugs right in, and it works really well. I believe this was like $9 for this. I don't know if there's part number. I don't see any part number, but yeah, Best Buy has these. I'm sure you could get it for the iPhone too. They had different ones there, but I also had bought off of Amazon. A friend of mine had told me about this jack, and it works with your phone and also works with your GoPro. It'll plug right in. Most of these I've found like this was $40 to $60. This was $9 on Amazon. The product number is CD0483. Once again, got it off of Amazon. For those of you that are tech savvy in that, but yeah, this will work for your phone or your I believe it's the 5, the 6, and the 7 GoPro that it will fit. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, it's got the jack for your microphone and your headset. So just to save a buck or two, $9 Amazon. And then, I don't know, you guys lose your flash drives or your memory cards, whatever you want to call them. I bought this at Best Buy. It Bauer, you can get them for like 12 bucks. I have a habit of losing mine, when I've got them laying around, so I just bought this. It's very handy. This was one of the first ones I'd bought. Got it at Best Buy, or excuse me, at Office Depot. It is for your flash drives, but I just put them in here. It holds 6, and you got different cards, memory cards that you can put in there. But yeah, for the money, for $6, I recommend both of these. That if you don't want to lose your stuff, this is the way to go. Stay tuned to my videos. I got some stuff coming up. There's a lot of different things. I'm in the process of doing the modern Mopar, or excuse me, the modern muscle. But I'm going to talk to several people. I've got Ford guys, Chevy guys, Dodge guys that are very interested in doing it. It's just finding the time, their time and my time. But other than that, I think I'm just going to cut it short today. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for subscribing. Like, share, comment, and we will see you in the next video.